Okay, now let's get started with our ingredients. 4 cups of cooked rice. You can use brown, white. I use jasmine, and also let it chill in the refrigerator for a couple of hours. 3 whisked eggs, 1 to 2 cups of frozen peas and carrots. My family loves vegetables, so we did 2 cups. 1 pound of small shrimp. You see my shrimp there, I have it on ice. A 1/4 cup of diced onion. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 cloves of minced garlic. And last but not least, our key ingredients: Lawry seasoned salt, garlic salt, and I have some sea salt, but you can use whatever seasoning you guys like to season your food with. Okay, let's get started. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of seasoned salt and garlic salt to my shrimp after I remove the ice. And we're going to give that a nice mix. Make sure your stove is on a medium-high heat. Let that pan get nice and hot. Pour in your sesame oil and let that heat up. Go ahead and let the oil get really hot. And we're going to add our shrimp to the sesame oil. You're going to want to let your shrimp cook about 1 to 2 minutes on each side. See there, I'm flipping it over. Set your shrimp aside in a clean bowl. Next, we're going to grab our eggs, turn our heat down to low-medium heat, grab our sea salt, and put about a teaspoon into the eggs and mix that up. Then we're going to add the egg to the pan and let that cook. I'd say cook your eggs how you like them scrambled. Myself, I like to scramble mine like regular, not too soft, not too hard. Then you're going to set your egg to the side. Now, I know our ingredients called for only 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, but our eggs and shrimp sucked all that up, so I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon back into our pan and turn it up to medium-high heat and add in our onion. And we're going to add in our minced garlic. And we're going to go ahead and let that cook until fragrant, meaning there's a nice garlic, oniony aroma coming from the pan. Next, we're going to take our cooked cold rice and add it in. And we're going to mix it well with the garlic and onion, making sure to try to coat all of that rice with the garlic and the onion. Then we're going to add in our cooked shrimp and also add in our egg. Mix that all together now. You see there I grabbed my veggies. Those are next. Now I grab my Lawry seasoned salt, and I'm going to be adding about 1 teaspoon into the frozen veggies. Go ahead and mix that up. And dump the veggies into the pan. Next, we're going to grab our soy sauce and pour that into the pan. And my favorite part, mix it all together. You'll want to keep mixing until that soy sauce is distributed throughout the rice, turning it brown. And lastly, grab your lid, set your heat to low, and cook for 15 minutes. And voila! Thank you all for watching. If you want to know how I made those bomb delicious egg rolls up in the top right corner, go ahead and click that video. Watch how I make egg rolls. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.